So if you're anything like me, you're a digital marketer who wants to create multiple streams of passive income online. You want to make that cash flow now, but you also want to make recurring income. You want a little bit of both, but you don't want to be jumping around, joining different business opportunities because that can make you feel like you're all over the place. Well, what if I told you that you can make multiple streams of income and align your passions, your interests, your skills, your talents, and all those things that you love or that you're already aligned with and create multiple streams of income with one powerful digital product funnel? I'm going to show you how you can literally have your cake and eat it too, make money now, and ultimately make recurring income so that you can build a business that you love that still makes money when you are not online. So if that's something that you want to learn how to do, then let's dive right in. So if you've been in digital marketing for a while, maybe you've done affiliate marketing, network marketing, or maybe you have your own business and you're trying to figure out how to integrate multiple streams of income without feeling like you're all over the place. Well, this is a business model that I learned many, many years ago that I have since then been trying to put together because this is like, as you can see, it's a puzzle piece. It's like it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like 4 to 5 puzzle pieces. And when you're out there searching on the internet, you're looking for just one part of the bigger process. So maybe sometimes you're looking for how to generate traffic or how to make money online, but you don't have the full picture of what the whole business model looks like so that you can effortlessly start creating multiple streams of income through one singular process. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you 3 examples of how you can create multiple streams of income, sending people to just one funnel. Okay. So I've been doing it for the last couple of months. I have been creating multiple streams of income, and I have been creating multiple streams of income throughout the years, but not in this seamless way. Okay. So what I want to share with you is this business model worksheet. And actually it is a bonus inside of my ultimate digital product planner. If you want to learn more about my digital product planner, all you have to do is go to www.mydigitalbizsystem.com. That is where you'll be able to not only grab a copy of my digital product planner, but when you go to mydigitalbizsystem.com, you'll also get access to my 10K master plan absolutely free. All right. So here is the business model worksheet. And this is just kind of like, it doesn't matter what business you're in. It doesn't matter what niche you're in, whether you are in network marketing, whether you are in affiliate marketing, whether you're a homeschool teacher, whether you are into health and wellness, it doesn't matter. Okay. The business model is the same. Giant companies use this business model. Verizon, Apple, they all use this business model. And if they can use it, so can we. So can you. So basically what this funnel is, it kind of looks like an inverted pyramid. And at the widest part of the pyramid is where you are driving traffic, building an audience. And then ultimately what you want to do is you want to get people off of your traffic source, whether it's social media, paid ads, YouTube, like I'm doing right now. And you want to get them off of social media and into your sales process. Now, your sales process starts with a lead capture page. That is also known as an opt-in page, right? That's a place where you go and, like I just told you, go to mydigitalbizsystem.com, download my 10K free master plan. I've had hundreds of people in the last couple of months download that 10K master plan for free. So that is the beginning, the doorway of how you're going to start creating those multiple streams of income with one singular process. Okay. All right. So the next thing is, once that traffic is off of social media or off of YouTube, off of wherever you are building that audience and creating content to drive traffic, the next step is now you're going to actually generate the lead. They're going to be an opt-in. They're interested, but that doesn't mean that they're ready to buy yet. But you want to give them something for free in exchange for their email. And you want that thing to be so good that they are willing to give you their email to pay for it, right? So even though it's free, it's actually their email, a good valid email, is a lot more valuable because as they continue to go down this process, they can escalate into your bigger programs. All right. Okay. So now, and also, by the way, it's a little bit more advanced strategy, but there are some people that they'll, do like a $7 offer instead of a free offer. That way you have more serious people. But, you could do it either way. If you're a beginner, I would just start with something free because it's easy to create. I actually teach you how to brainstorm and plan your first digital product, again, inside of my digital product planner. Again, you can see how to get a copy of that inside of mydigitalbizsystem.com. Okay, now the next thing is you want to immediately offer your new lead something of value in the form of digital information, right? That is going to help them on their journey, and it's going to result in a sale for you. Now, these digital products can be in the amount of $7, $27, $47, $97, $197 to $500. Okay. And so as these people continue to immerse themselves in your content, immerse themselves in your videos or your posts, you want to again send them down this process. So now you can start monetizing this kind of like customer journey that they're going through. So obviously you want to make sure that whatever you're selling is of value and that you have your follow-up email system in place so that you can continue to escalate that person to the next step. Okay. All right. Now, after that, now what you want to do is you want to start, now that they're on your email list, right? Like that was the hardest part, getting them on your email list. Now, when people are on your email list, now what you want to do is continue to add value and kind of like encourage them to take the next step so that they make a sale. And now they become a buyer, because once they become a buyer, now you know that they're interested in what you have to offer. You know that they're interested in learning from you specifically, and they're more likely to buy over and over and over again. And the long-term value of that one person who bought that product can result in, hundreds of thousands of dollars throughout the years. Very, very important. So at this point, you want to sell them leads, tools, training, resources, and education that are going to continue to help them along their journey. And then finally, you want to introduce them to some sort of recurring income. Now, this is the generic business model. So what I've done is I have two different business models, different scenarios, one for health and wellness and one for digital marketers. So let's go to the next slide and check them out. Okay, so now we have an example for someone who's in health and wellness. A lot of you might be in a health and wellness network marketing company, or you're in a health and wellness affiliate program, or maybe you're a health and wellness coach. Well, guess what? This business model will help any of you, because if you're in network marketing, you're down here. You're just trying to sell the MLM product. That's it. But you're not earning from any of this other part, right? If you're a coach, maybe you're over here. Or here, and you're paying, and you're just bringing people into a high ticket program, and you're not recommending other resources that could help them even if they don't join your big program, and you probably don't have a recurring income program, right? This is the full picture, the full business model. That way, when you're out there on Facebook and you see an ad for, hey, start low ticket offers, that's only part of the process. This is the whole process. And I am a very visual and process oriented person. I need to see the bigger picture. That way it's like a map. It's like the entire blueprint. If I give you the blueprint and I'm only showing you the bathroom, okay, the bathroom's important, but I need to see the whole house so I can see the bigger picture. Well, this is the bigger picture. This is a zoomed out version. So this will also help guide you as you're putting your income streams together. That way you know what to say yes to, what to say no to. You can stay focused and all that good stuff. Okay. So now for a health and wellness person, obviously you're going to do the same process. You're going to market, you're going to build your audience, you're going to do videos or be on social media. You have to pick a platform on which you're going to plant your flag and start creating content or paid ads. The next thing is you want to create a free lead magnet. An example could be top 10 mistakes to avoid when losing weight over 50. That could be a free lead magnet. That person's like, oh my gosh, I want to know how to do that. I'm going to give you my email. Now they're on your list. And now you're going to offer them a cash flow product, right? That is of value to them and puts a little money in your pocket to either offset the cost of ads, or it helps you cover the cost of your business. So if you're in a network marketing company, right, sell a couple of these things and that covers your auto ship for the month, and now you don't have to worry, right? So something you could sell like is a weight loss tracker for $17, a recipe book for $27 to $47, or a 4-week coaching program for like $500 or something like that. All right. Then you can recommend, as time goes on, inside of your follow-up emails, tools and resources. So an example could be your favorite food scale. Become an affiliate on Amazon and sell your food scale. A blender, you could tell them about your favorite blender, and you can become an affiliate for Vitamix, or, I don't know if the Ninja has one, but you can, if the company itself does not have an affiliate program, then you can just, get your affiliate link on Amazon, because more than likely Amazon sells that product on their website. Okay. And then finally, now is when you want to send them into your network marketing company. Okay. Now that they have your ebook, as a matter of fact, I teach how to, put your affiliate links or your network marketing links inside my course, the 30-minute lead magnet. That way you already, kind of like seamlessly, as you're giving person value, they're checking out all your links inside your digital product. And that digital product is doing all the telling and selling for you, so you don't have to sit around and pitch people. But ultimately, as more people go down this process, then some of those people will want to sign up for your network marketing company. Okay. Or your membership. Maybe you want to do a coaching membership. It's up to you. All right. And then finally, let's do an example for digital marketers, because my passion is online business, digital marketing, digital products, leverage systems, and teaching you how to use your strengths, gifts, and talents, and the program that you're aligned with to create these systems in your business so that you can make money even when you're not online, right? So I love digital marketing. I could talk about it all day long, right? So for us, for digital marketers, same thing. It's all the same thing. The only difference is you are changing the niche. Okay. This is how I generate leads on the front end of my business. You will download my 10K master plan. And inside my 10K master plan, I show you the numbers, the strategy, and the action plan to get to your first 10K. Or if you're on your way there, the plan will help you get there faster. All right. So then the next thing inside of my funnel is a digital product planner. So that digital product planner helps digital marketers plan their first digital product so that you can start making cash flow over here in the amount of $7 or $17, $27, $37, $47. I help you plan that product so that you can get to that next step where now you're selling bigger ticket items. So the next thing we want to do is we want to recommend tools and resources to help people with their digital marketing. So that could be some sort of software keyword research tool, or something like Canva that is a design tool, something like that you become an affiliate for and that you can recommend to others. And then finally, in my example, I chose to align with software as a service, because software as a service is a really great way to create recurring income, because when you promote things like website builders or funnel builders, their software, and as long as people are active and paying their bill, you can make a percentage of that on a monthly recurring basis. And to me, that is one of the most powerful ways that I've discovered to create a great recurring income online. But you want to monetize through the entire process. So hopefully this video helped you see how you can create multiple streams of income with digital products using one digital business funnel. All right, so hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and please make sure to share it with a friend. There are so many people out there like you and me, multi-passionate. We love different things. We want to make money online. We want to make money now. We want to create passive income, recurring income. But a lot of us are just like all over the place because we didn't understand this business model. And so now you have this business model that is going to create a pathway to creating digital products now that put money in your pocket right now, and mid-level ticket products that you can either create yourself or insert yourself into and start promoting because they're already done for you. And finally, make your way down to recurring income, because truly that is where the freedom is. Because God forbid, if there's some sort of weather disaster or a family falls ill or something like that where you physically cannot be there, that recurring income is going to continue to come in even when you are not physically able to, create content and things like that. So the whole entire process for me is equally as important. You've got to make that cash flow now. You've got to have something in the middle that is kind of like that Goldilocks zone where you're earning, $500, $600 at a time. And I've got an incredible product that's going to help you do that. Again, go ahead and download my 10K master plan over at mydigitalbizsystem.com. And then most importantly, now you have a focused way to make multiple streams of passive and recurring income. So if this is something that you want to implement in your business and you want to learn how you can create these digital products and also insert done for you digital products into your business model, then go ahead and visit mydigitalbizsystem.com. There's also going to be another video here at the end screen. So if you still got a little bit of time, then make sure to check that out. But for now, this has been Barbie Figueroa. Thank you so much for watching my video. I truly appreciate you. And I'll see you on another video. Bye for now.